Hello, good morning to everybody. Today we all are going to study about different kinds of verbs. You will also learn about the different aspects of verbs. So, what is verb? Verb refers to an action. So, verb is a word that refers to an action, an event, or a state. Verb is a part of a sentence that tells us what the subject performs. Here there are some examples of action that we do in our day-to-day life. Okay, verb described as action words. It is partially true. Most of verbs give the idea of action of doing something. For example, like run, eat, read, do, and dance. But some verbs do not give the idea of action, they give the idea of existence, state of being. For example, be, assist, is. So, other non-action verbs include love, agree, feel, and have. Now let us see some examples of verb. The children scream. Here the scream is the verb. The gardener has finished his work. Beena was reading the newspaper. Here, reading is the action done by Beena. Tony is throwing the football. Throwing is the verb. Close the door. Close is the verb. They brought a new car. Brought is the verb here. Hello students, now we got an idea about what is verb. Verb is a word that refers to an action, an event, or a state. Now, verbs are classified as regular or irregular based on how they form their inflections. Inflections is the process of changing a verb form to short tense, number, and person. Regular verbs create the past simple and past participle by adding ed to the base form. The majority of verbs are regular and constantly use ed and en to their simple past tense and past participle. Example, talked has talked. Read the table to understand the pattern that regular verbs follow. Here the verb is given laugh, walk, talk. In present tense, laughs, walks, talks. In change into past tense, laughed, walked, walked. Past participle, laughed, walked, walked. So there are some more examples of arrive, call, wait. It is given the base form. The past symbol, it is arrived, called, waited. In past participle, same. So here are some examples of regular verbs. Yesterday, Suma studied all day. Studied is the regular verbs. Ivan has accepted the job offer. Accepted. Have you finished it? Finished. What are irregular verbs? There are about 200 irregular verbs. We can divide these into 4 types. First one, verbs which have the same base form, past simple and past participle. A good way to learn irregular verbs is to study them in these groups because as they are similar, they are easier to remember. Here are the most common irregular verbs in this group. Here it is given base form, past simple and past participle. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Let, let, let. Second is verb which has the same past simple and past participle. To have the same past simple and past participles are same. Here the base form bring, brought, brought. Buy, brought, brought. Catch, caught, caught. This past simple and past participles are same. Let us see this point. Verbs which have the same base form and past participle. Here the base form and past participles are same. See here example, come, came, come. Become, became, become. This point, verbs which have a different base form, past simple and past participle. Past symbol. See here, be, past symbol is was or were, past participle is been. It has a change. Begin, began, begun. Break, broke, broken. There is a change in base form and past symbol and past participle. Friends, already we have learned what is irregular verb and regular verbs. Now we are going with the formation of verbs. Verbs can be formed by the addition of prefix and suffix. So what is prefix? Prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. For example, the word unhappy. The consist of prefix is here un and the root word is happy. So before happy we use un, so it become unhappy. That means not happy. Here there are some examples for prefix. So here there is some words: happy, work, market. So we give some prefix, that is un, over, super. From this prefix we make a new word to that root word. So it will become un plus happy, unhappy. Over plus work, overwork. Super plus market, supermarket. Now let us see what is suffix. Suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of a word. For example, the word adding ion to the verb act gives us action. Act plus ion, action. So suffix is a group of letters placed after the root word. For examples, see here some examples are there. Taste, tasteless. Able plus like, likable. Worker. Now let us conclude what we have studied, prefix and suffix. Please students, now let us conclude. What is prefix? Prefix is a group of letters that comes at the starting of the root word. On the other hand, suffix is a group of letters that add at the end of the base word. So prefix is always placed at the beginning and suffix always comes at the end. Thank you.